Good morning, students. Yesterday we are discussing about definition of limit, laws of limits. So based on laws of limits and definition of limits to solve some simple problems. Now here problem number 1. Evaluate limit of x square plus 1 divided by x plus 100 as x tends to 1. Limit of x square plus 1 divided by x plus 100 as x tends to 1. You know the definition of limit. This is f of x as x tends to, this is a value. The value of the given function as x approaches to a value is 1, should be finite value. X value substitute ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ನಮಗೆ ಆನ್ಸರು ಫೈನೈಟ್ ಬರಬೇಕು. ಇನ್ಫೈನೈಟ್ ಬಂದಿತ್ತು ಅಂದರೆ go on simplify. Check it. Now that is equal to, put x equal to 1, so 1 square plus 1 divided by x value 1 plus 100. So 1 square is 1 plus 1, 2, divided by 100 plus 1, 101. So 2 by 101, that is finite value, 1 mark. Whereas second problem, evaluate limit of x cube minus 4x square plus 4x divided by x minus 4 as x approaches to 2. Check it. This is f of x. This is x tends to a value is 2. Put x equal to 2. Is it finite or infinite? Check ಮಾಡಿ ನೋಡಿ. Put x value 2. 2 substitute ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? 2 cube 8 ಆಯ್ತಾ ಇದು. Minus 4 x value 2. 2 square 4. 4 into 4. 16 plus 4 x value 2, 4 into 2, 8 divided by x value 2, this is x square la, x value 2, 2 square 4 minus 4, 8 minus 16 minus 8, minus 8 plus 8, 0 divided by 4 minus 4, 0. It is in the form indeterminate, undefined, that is not finite value. So what can you do? Go on simplify till you get finite value. Now simplify, that is limit x tends to 2, reduce the function. In the numerator, is there any common? ನೋಡ್ರಿ ಏನಾದರೂ ಕಾಮನ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಇದೆನಾ, ಕಾಮನ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ ಇದೆ ತಾನೆ, ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಕಾಮನ್ ಇದೆ ತಾನೆ. ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಕಾಮನ್ ತೆಗೆದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಮೈನಸ್ 4x ಪ್ಲಸ್ 4 ಡಿವೈಡೆಡ್ ಬೈ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಮೈನಸ್ 4 ಈಸ್ ಸೇಮ್ ಆಸ್ ವಿ ರೈಟ್ 2 square, right? Then further simplify. Limit x tends to 2. X into. Now x square minus 4x plus 4. Clearly it is quadratic. It is perfect square. That is nothing but x minus 2 to the power of 2. ಆಗುತ್ತಲ್ಲ, x minus 2 to the power of 2 is nothing but x square minus 4x plus 4 divided by a square minus b square form. You know the formula. A square minus b square is equal to a minus b into a plus b. Andre enathile x minus 2 into x plus 2. Right? One factor x minus 2 cancel. Okay. Then put x equal to 2. X 2 substitute ಮಾಡಿ ನೋಡಿ. Put x is equal to 2. That is equal to x value 2 into x value 2 minus 2 divided by x value 2 plus 2. 2 minus 2 0, 0 into 2 0, 2 plus 2 4, 0 by 4 0, 0. It is finite value. One day 0 is finite. 0 by 0 indeterminate. The numerator is 0, right? So third one, evaluate limit of x cube minus 2x square divided by x square minus 5x plus 6 as x tends to 2. Check it. Is it finite or infinite? ಮೊದಲು ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. x ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ 2 ಹಾಕಿಬಿಟ್ರೆ ನಮಗೆ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಫೈನೈಟ್ ಸಿಗುತ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲೋ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಪುಟ್ x is equal to 2. x ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ 2 ಹಾಕಿದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡ್ರಿ, 2 ಕ್ಯೂಬ್ 8 minus 2 x value 2, 2 square 4, 4 into 2 8 divided by, put x equal to 2, 2 square 4 minus 5 x value 2, 5 into 2 10 plus 6, 8 minus 8 0, 4 minus 10 minus 6 plus 6 0. It is in the form 0 by 0, indeterminate. What can you do? Simplify. Indeterminate ಬಂತು ಅಂದರೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? ಇದನ್ನು ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿಫೈ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗಬೇಕು. ಎಲ್ಲಿವರೆಗೆ? ಯು ಗೆಟ್ ಫೈನೈಟ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ. ಲಿಮಿಟ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಟೆಂಡ್ಸ್ ಟು 2 ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಕ್ಯೂಬ್ ಮೈನಸ್ 2 ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್. ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಕಾಮನ್ ಏನಾದರೂ ಇದೆನಾ? ಇದೆ. ಏನು? ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್. ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಕಾಮನ್ ತೆಗೆದ್ರೆ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಮೈನಸ್ 2. In the denominator, clearly it is quadratic. It has two roots, splitting up middle term. If you multiply by any two number, you get 6. Add that same number, you get 5. ಎರಡು ನಂಬರ್ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ 6 ಬರಬೇಕು, ಆ್ಯಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ 5 ಬರಬೇಕು. ಯಾವ ಟೇಬಲ್ದಲ್ಲಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ? 2 3s 6, 2 plus 3 5. So shall I write directly? Factors are x minus 2 ಇಂಟು ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಮೈನಸ್ 3 ಆಗುತ್ತಲ್ಲ. ಎರಡು ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಇದು ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ದೀಸ್ ಆರ್ ದ ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟರ್ಸ್. ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಯು ಲರ್ನ್ ಇನ್ 8th ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡರ್ಡ್, isn't it? So one factor x minus 2 cancel. Then put x equal to 2. 2 square divided by 2 minus 3. 2 square 4, 2 minus 3 minus 1, 4 by minus 1 minus 4. ಫೈನೈಟ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ. ಫೈನೈಟ್ ಬರೋವರೆಗೆ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿನೂ ಕೂಡ ಏನಾದರೂ ನಿಮಗೆ 0 by 0 ಬಂದಿತ್ತು, ಅಗೇನ್ ಫರ್ದರ್ ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿಫೈ ಟಿಲ್ ಯು ಗೆಟ್ ಫೈನೈಟ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ. ಓಕೆ, ದೆನ್ ಫೋರ್ತ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್. ಇವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯುವೇಟ್ ಲಿಮಿಟ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಟೆಂಡ್ಸ್ ಟು 1 x minus 2 divided by x square minus x minus 1 divided by x cube minus 3x square plus 2x. First, verify whether the given data is finite or infinite or indeterminate. After substituting the value of x equal to 1, check it, put x is 1, x value 1 substitute ಮಾಡಿ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? 1 minus 2 minus 1 divided by x value 1, 1 square 1 minus 1 square 1, 1 minus 1 0. Minus 1 divided by, put x equal to 1, 1 cube 1 minus 3, x value 1 square is 1 plus 2, x value is 1, 1 into 2 2. So that is minus 1 by 0 minus 1 by 1 minus 3 minus 2 minus 2 plus 2 0. So 1 by 0 not defined, infinity, minus 1 by 0 infinity. ಹಾಗಾದರೆ ಏನಾಗ್ತಿದ್ದು? The given data, it is in the form, the given expression is of the form. ಯಾವ ಫಾರ್ಮಿಗೆ ಬಂತದು? Infinity minus infinity. That is not finite value, it is indeterminate. What can you do? Simplify. Now here limit x tends to 1, x minus 2 divided by, in the denominator ಏನಾದರೂ ಕಾಮನ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ ಇದೆ ನೋಡಿ, x ಕಾಮನ್ ಇದೆ ತಾನೆ, ಟೇಕ್ x ಕಾಮನ್, x minus 1 minus 1 divided by, again here is there any common? Yes, x common ತೆಗೆದ್ರೆ x square minus 3x plus 2. Okay, now again further simplify. Limit x tends to 1, x minus 2 by x of x minus 1 minus 1 by x. Here this is quadratic. It has two roots, isn't it? Splitting up middle term, factorize, split ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಡ್ರಿ, factorize ಮಾಡಿ. If you multiply by any two number, you get 2. Add that same number, you get 3. What are the numbers? 2 and 1. 2 ones are 2. 2 plus 1 3. So factors x minus 2 into x minus 1. Right? Then further simplify. Limit x tends to 1. Take the LCM. Among these two, what is the LCM? LCM is x into x minus 1, one more factor, x minus 2. Here x into x minus 1 is there, so that here multiply by x minus 2. Here complete all terms are there, that is multiply by 1. X minus 2 into x minus 2, x minus 2 whole power 2. Minus 1 into 1, 1. Okay. Then further simplify. That is equal to limit x tends to 1, x minus 2 to the power of 2. It is in the form a minus b whole power 2. Expand a minus b whole power 2 formula, a square plus b square minus 2ab. Here x square plus 4 minus 2ab minus 2, a value x, b value 2, 2 into 2, 4x, right? Minus 1 divided by x into bracket x minus 1 into x minus 2. Again check ಮಾಡಿ, put x equal to 1 substitute ಮಾಡಿ, x equal to 1 substitute ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಮತ್ತೆ ನಿಮಗೆ? It is in the form 0 by 0 indeterminate. Again simplify till you get finite value. Again further simplify, limit x tends to 1, x square minus 4x plus 4 minus 1 plus 3 by x into bracket x minus 1 into x minus 2. That is limit x tends to 1. In the numerator it is quadratic, it has two roots, splitting up middle term. If you multiply by any two number you get 3, add that same number you get 4. The factors are 3 and 1, that is x minus 3, x minus 1, 3 ones are 3, 3 plus 1, 4, right? Divided by x into bracket x minus 1 into x minus 2. Now here one factor x minus 1 cancel. Put x is equal to 1, 1 minus 3 divided by x value 1 into 1 minus 2. That is 1 minus 3 is minus 2, 1 minus 2 is minus 1, minus minus cancel, 2 by 1, that is 2. 2 is finite value. Complete ನೀವು finite value ಬರೋವರೆಗೆ ಅದು ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿಫೈ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಕ್ಲೀನಾಗಿ ನೋಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು ಇದನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ. ಓಕೆ, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ನಂಬರ್ 5. One more question. Evaluate limit of x minus 22 by 7 as x tends to pi. Put x equal to pi. Is it finite or infinite? Check it. X value pi substitute ಮಾಡಿ, pi minus 22 by 7. That is, but you know the value of pi. Pi value 22 by 7. This is 22 by 7. That is cancelled. 0. 0 is finite value. Okay. Whereas sixth problem. Evaluate limit of 4x plus 3 divided by x minus 2 as x tends to 4. Put x equal to 4. Is it finite or infinite? 4 into 4 plus 3 divided by x value 4 minus 2. 4 4s are 16 plus 3. 4 minus 2 is 2. 16 plus 3, 19 divided by 2. 19 by 2 is finite value. Right? Whereas seventh one. Evaluate limit of 3x square minus x minus 10 divided by x square minus 4 as x tends to 2. Put x equal to 2. 2 substitute ಮಾಡಿ ನೋಡಿ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ. 3 into 2 square minus 2 minus 10 divided by x value 2 square minus 4. 2 square 4. 4 3s are 12. 12 minus 2 10. 10 minus 10 0. 2 square 4. 4 minus 4 0. It is in the form 0 by 0. Indeterminate. So what can you do? Simplify. Now here limit x tends to 2. 3x square minus x minus 10. Clearly it is quadratic. It has two roots. Now here multiply these two. 10 into 3 30. If you multiply by any two number you get 30. Subtract that same number you get 1. ಎರಡು ನಂಬರ್ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ 30 ಬರಬೇಕು, ಅವೆರಡು ನಂಬರ್ ಲೆಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ 1 ಬರಬೇಕು. ಯಾವ ಟೇಬಲ್ಲು? 6 5s are 30. 6 minus 5 1. So we write 3x square minus 6x plus 5x minus 10. Correct? Divided by x square minus 4 is same as 2 square. Then simplify, that is limit x tends to 2. From these two, what is common? 3x common tane. Take 3x common, x minus 2 plus 5 common, x minus 2 divided by x square minus 2 square, or write as it is here, x square minus 2 square is equal to limit x tends to 2. Among these two, what is common? X minus 2 one factor, another factor is 3x plus 5 divided by, in the denominator it is in the form a square minus b square. A square minus b square formula, a minus b into a plus b. Here a minus b means here x minus 2 into x plus 2, right? So one factor cancel, x minus 2. Put x equal to 2. Substitute ಮಾಡಿ x value 2. 3 into 2 plus 5 divided by x value 2 plus 2. 3 2s are 6. 6 plus 5 11. 2 2s are 2 plus 2 4. 11 by 4, that is finite value. Okay. Whereas problem number 7, 8th problem. Evaluate limit of ax plus b divided by cx plus 1 as x tends to 0. One more question. Put x equal to 0, it will get finite value. Barutal nodi. Put x is 0. A into 0 plus b divided by c into 0 plus 1. A into 0 0 plus b, c into 0 0 plus 1. 0 plus b b, 0 plus 1, b by 1, that is b. B, it is finite value. Okay. Whereas 9th problem, evaluate limit of ax square plus bx plus c divided by cx square plus bx plus a as x approaches to 1. Again put x equal to 1. Whether it is finite or infinite, check it. A into x value 1 square plus b x value 1 plus c divided by c x value 1 square plus b x value 1 plus a is equal to a. 1 square is 1. 1 into a plus b into 1b plus c divided by 1 square is 1. 1 into c plus b plus a. A plus b plus c. Here also a plus b plus c. Both terms same. That can cancel. The answer is 1. 1 is finite value. Okay. So note ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ಇವನು ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾಗಿ. ಓಕೆ, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ವೆರಿ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ರಿಸಲ್ಟ್. ಇದು ನಿಮಗೆ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಪಿ ಯು ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಅಲಕ್ಷ್ಯ ಮಾಡೋಂಗಿಲ್ಲ ಲಿಮಿಟ್ಸು. ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಬೇಸಿಕ್. ಓಕೆ, ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಪಿ ಯುದು ಇದು ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟೆನ್ಷನ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ಇದರ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆ. ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್, evaluate limit of x power 4 minus 81 divided by 2x square minus 5x minus 3 as x tends to 3. Check it. Put x equal to 3, substitute ಮಾಡಿ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? 3 power 4 81 ತಾನೆ, minus 81 divided by x value 3, 3 square 9, 9 2s are 18 minus 5 x value 3, x value is 3, 5 into 3 15 minus 3, 81 minus 81 0, 18 minus 15 3, 3 minus 3 0. It is in the form 0 by 0, indeterminate. So definition of limit, substitute ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಏನು ಬರಬೇಕು ನಮಗೆ? ಫೈನೈಟ್. ಸೊ ದೇ ಗೋ ಆನ್ ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿಫೈ. ಲಿಮಿಟ್ x tends to 3, x power 4 can be written as, we can write x square to the power of 2. ಬರೀಬೋದಲ್ಲ? Minus 81 can be written as 3 square to the power of 2, because 3 square is 9. 9 power 2 is 81 divided by, in the denominator it is quadratic. Splitting up middle term, factorize. 3 into 2, 6. If you multiply by any two number, you get 6. Add that same number, subtract that same number 5. Multiply ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ 6 ಬರಬೇಕು, ಲೆಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ 5 ಬರಬೇಕು. 6 ones are 6. 6 minus 1, 5. So 2x square minus 6x plus 1x minus 3, right, is equal to limit x tends to 3. Put x square is equal to a. x square ಗೆ ಅಂತ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ, 3 square is equal to b. 3 square ಗೆ b ಅಂತ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಅವಾಗ ಏನಾಯ್ತು ನೋಡಿ, x square value by taking a to the power of 2, a square ಆಯಿತು, minus 3 square value is b, power 2, b square. But a square minus b square formula, a minus b into a plus b. ಹೌದಾ? Substituting the value of a and b. What is a? A value x square minus b value is 3 square into a plus b. A value x square plus b value 3 square, right? Divided by, take first two term. What is common? From these two, 2x is common. 1x minus 3 plus 1 common, x minus 3. Okay? Then further simplify. Limit x tends to 3. X square minus 3 square. It is in the form a square minus b square. A square minus b square formula. A minus b into a plus b. That is x minus 3 into x plus 3. Right? This is as it is, x square plus 3 square divided by, from these two factors are x minus 3 one factor, another factor is 2x plus 1. Okay? Then further simplify. One factor x minus 3 get cancelled. Now put x is equal to 3. 3 plus 3 into x square, x value 3 square plus 3 square as it is, divided by 2 x value 3 plus 1. Okay? Then simplify. 3 plus 3, 6. 3 square 9. Again 3 square 9. Divided by 2 3s are 6. 6 plus 1, 7. 6 into 9 plus 9, 18. Divided by 7. Multiply. 18 6 are 108. Correct? Divided by 7. 108 by 7, that is finite value. So its answer is 108 divided by 7. Okay? Now here one more problem. Problem number 11. Evaluate limit of root 1 plus x minus 1 divided by x as x tends to 0. Check it. Is it finite or infinite or indeterminate? Put x equal to 0. 0 substitute ಮಾಡಿದರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡ್ರಿ, root 1 plus x value 0 minus 1 divided by x value 0. 1 plus 0, 1. Root 1 is 1. 1 minus 1, that is 0. Divided by 0. The given expression is of the form 0 by 0. What can you do? Reduce the function. How to reduce? Look here. Limit x tends to 0. Root 1 plus x minus 1 divided by x. Clearly in the numerator it is a surd. Idu ಒಂದು ಕರಣಿ. Now rationalize the numerator part. What is conjugate of numerator? Root 1 plus x conjugate plus 1 divided by root 1 plus x plus 1. Rationalize the numerator. Conjugate of numerator is root 1 plus x plus 1 by root 1 plus x plus 1. Okay? Then simplify. Limit x tends to 0. Put root 1 plus x, call it as a. One number, call it as b. In between the sign minus. It is in the form a minus b. This is a plus b. You know that a minus b into a plus b. You know the formula. That is a square minus b square. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಎಷ್ಟಾಗುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡ್ರಿ, a square root 1 plus x whole power 2 minus b square. b value 1, 1 square. divided by x into root 1 plus x plus 1. Right? Now further simplify, limit x tends to 0, root 1 plus x to the power of 2. ಇದನ್ನು ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ರೂಟ್ ಎಲಿಮಿನೇಟೆಡ್, that is 1 plus x minus 1 divided by x into root 1 plus x plus 1. Okay, now here plus 1 minus 1 cancel, that is limit x tends to 0, numerator value only x divided by x into root 1 plus x plus 1. That x get cancelled, then put x equal to 0, numerator x1 1 divided by root 1 plus 0 plus 1, that is 1 divided by 1 plus 0 1, root 1 is 1 plus 1, that is 1 divided by 2. That's it, that is the finite value. ಎಲ್ಲಿವರೆಗೆ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡೋಕೆ ಈ ಟೈಪು, till you get finite value, answer finite ಬರೋವರೆಗೆ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗಬೇಕು. Okay, these are the basic problems belongs to the definition of limit and laws of limits. Okay, now to solve some more problems in next class. Okay students, thank you.